For this activity, we are estimating irrational numbers. When we talk about estimating an irrational number, we're looking at a non-perfect square root. So the square root of 187. My first step is to think, what two perfect squares am I between? In this case, I am between the square root of 169, which has an integer root. So an integer root means what whole number is multiplying itself to get 169, and that would be 13. And then the other perfect square would be 196. Its integer root, the whole number that multiplies itself to get 196 is 14. So on my number line, I have 13 and I have 14. My halfway mark will be 13.5. To figure out whether I'm falling on the left side of my number line or the right side, I'm going to see how far I am to each of these perfect squares. So let's start over here. 187 minus 169. It's going to be 8 and 1. So I am 18 away from 13. And then over here, 196 minus 187. On the other hand, I am only 9 away from here. That means that I am definitely falling closer to 14, and a good approximation of where I'm going to fall is going to be around that 13.8 or 13.7 mark.